Hello, my name is Sitono Faizan Tibakri from HC19 International Finance. Today I want to talk about donut chart. Donut chart is a type of P-chart that features a hole in the center similar to a donut. Donut charts present categories in the form of arc instead of slice. The first category in the donut chart is waste. Waste shows a value of 725.5 thousand ringgit. The second category is salt with value of 391.7 thousand ringgit. The value shows the lowest value. Next is show a value of 617.8 thousand ringgit. And lastly, central is 501.2 thousand ringgit.
My name is Fitriana, matrix number BG231104886. Next, I will present about my part, which is GeoMaps. GeoMap, known as a visual tool, used to display statistical data in relation to geographical location. These maps can help business understand pattern, trends, and variation across different region or area. California emerges as the standout, boasting the highest monetary value of 76.4K. This signal a robust economic presence, likely fueled by its diverse industry, innovation hubs, and expansive consumer markets. Following closely in Michigan, indicating a strong industrial base, possibly driven by automotive manufacturing prowess. Washington, with its RM33.4K value, showcases the economic vitality stemming from technology giants like Microsoft and Amazon. States like Virginia and Indiana exhibit moderate values RM 18.6K and 18.4K respectively, likely reflecting a blend of government-related activity in Virginia and diverse industrial landscape in Indiana. For Georgia, with RM 16.3K demonstrate resilience in sectors like agriculture, manufacturing, and logistics. For New Jersey, Massachusetts, Kentucky, Minnesota, and Wisconsin present comparatively lower value. New Jersey composition as economic power.
Visual 3 is showing a scatter plot. A scatter plot are typically used to visualize two measures value or similar field values as a single dot on a graph. Scatter plots, like line charts, use Cartesian coordinates to visualize data. In the chart above, 4 important data is being shown under region, which are Central, East, South, and West. The data includes sales and profit for each of the region mentioned. The red plot that is far to the right is South with a profit of negative 1.8 thousand and sales 22.6 thousand. Blue plot to the upper right is Central with a profit of 8.4 thousand and 17.5 thousand sales. Next, the green dot below Central is West with 6.7K profit and 14.0 thousand sales. Lastly, orange dot represents East region with a profit of 3.9K and sales of 11.2K. In summary, scatter plot is used to compare data in a simple presentation that brings better understanding to the viewer.
Hi, my name is Rosliana bint Abdurrahman. I will explain about word cloud. One stunning and appearance way to emphasize important textual data point is with a word cloud. It may quickly provide important information and make boring data shine. One type of visual representation is a word cloud. It's a collection of words shown in different sizes. A term important and frequency and used in a document are indicated by its size and bolding. In this chart, I use subcategory data for the color and text at the mark. Besides that, I use some quantity for the size. The largest word represents the largest value for this data. As we can see, binder is the largest word in this chart. The quantity of binders are 5,974, while for the copiers is the smallest word in this chart. The quantity of copiers are 234. The median data for this chart is appliance, and the quantity for appliance are 1,729. I choose a word cloud chart to show data because it can be seen more clearly and
Visual 5 is showing a gauge chart. Gauge chart is a speedometer chart used to display a single value of data in a quantitative way. The dial usually has different colors that divide the scale into several parts, which enable user to understand the progress of a KPI against a set target. In this chart, three categories used, which are furniture, office supplies, and technology. The first category is furniture with a value of 6.44%, indicating a low percentage. Second category is office supplies with a value of 42.77%, indicating a moderate percentage. Third category is technology with a value of 50.79%. That indicates half or high percentage according to the gauge chart. In this chart, colors is used to differentiate the data. Green segment here indicates the actual value, while the gray segment here is the remaining part that completes the semicircle of the gauge chart. Gauge chart provides a visual presentation on three categories percentage, which allows comparison on the data.
Hello everyone, I'm Ratna Dibrajaspen. So today I would like to talk about tree map. A tree map chart is created using a data visualization technique that visualizes hierarchical data in the form of nested rectangles. A tree map, also known as a box map or proportional map. There are three categories used in tree map, which is the furniture, office supply, and technology. The first category on the tree map is furniture. The highest sales in furniture belong to chair with some sales of 328.4 thousand, and bookcases is the lowest sales, which is 114.9 thousand. Second category is office supply. Storage is the highest sales in office supplies with some sales of 223.8 thousand, and paper record the lowest sales, which is 78.5 thousand. The third category is technology. The highest sales in technology is phone with 330,000, and the lowest sales, which is 149.5 thousand, is copiers. Furthermore, the size of rectangles in the tree map indicates the size of sales earned by each category. For example, in technology, phone has the largest rectangles with the highest sales, which is 330,000, while office supplies of paper is the smallest rectangles with the lowest sales, which is only 78.5 thousand. In summary, a tree map visualizes sales hierarchical with rectangle size by revenue. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharina binti Jamri. Today I'm going to present that is required in our assignment. Visual 7 is showing a bubble graph. Bubble graph is an extension of the scatter plot used to look at the relationship between three or more numeric variables. Each dot in a bubble chart corresponds with a single data point. In this chart, 17 categories used, which are accessories, appliances, copiers, and others. The first category is accessories, which shows a value of 41.9 thousand ringgit Malaysia. In this view, we can see that accessories has a value more than paper but less than phone's value. Second category is appliances, with a value of 18.1 thousand ringgit Malaysia. In this view, we can see that appliances has a value less than chairs, which shows a value of 26.6 thousand ringgit Malaysia. The third category is copiers. We can see that the value of copiers is 55.6 thousand ringgit Malaysia, which has the highest number in this chart. In summary, bubble charts provides that each bubble label for ease of comparisons and understanding the data. Thank you.
A dashboard is centralized presentation of many spreadsheets and relate data in one location. It is used to compare and track a variety of data in the same time. It provides investors with a comprehensive picture of all data in one place. The dashboard above shows 7 types of different charts that consist of donut chart, geomap, scatter plot, word cloud, judge chart, tree map, and bubble graph. Each of these charts represent different types of data to help in better understanding by comparing variety of data simulations. The dashboard can show the difference in growth percentage or a specific value that show a better insight of the data. This allows investors to come up with decisions that will give them a better understanding and interpret data. In summary, dashboard is used to visualize data in one screen for comparison and can bring better results. Thank you.